Hello, today, we are exploring the micrometer screw gauge, a precision instrument for measuring small lengths. It's essentially a screw with a very fine thread, used to measure objects with high accuracy, typically down to a hundredth of a millimeter. Let's break it down. The parts are the U-shaped rigid frame, the anvil and spindle arrangement to hold the object, the linear scale known as main scale and rotating scale known as circular scale, the ratchet, the mechanism to prevent over-tightening. The least count is the smallest measurement it can take. It's calculated as least count equals pitch divided by the number of divisions on the circular scale, where the pitch is the distance the spindle moves in one rotation. Zero error occurs when the anvil and spindle touch, but the zero marks don't coincide. If the circular scale 0 is above the main scale 0, it's a negative error. If below, it's positive. Zero correction is the negative of the zero error multiplied by least count, and we add it to the measured reading. To note the main scale reading, first, note the last visible division on the main scale before the circular scale, which is the main scale reading. Then, find the division on the circular scale that aligns with the main scale's axial line. The total reading is the sum of the main scale and circular scale readings multiplied by least count. The corrected reading is the total reading plus the zero correction.